So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that like APB is a semicircle. So you can see that this is a semicircle with center at the point P. So this is the point P, this is the center of this semicircle, and OP is equal to OQ. So this OP length is equal to this OQ length, and the radius of the semicircle is given as 16 centimeter. So this distance is 16 centimeter and this distance is also 16 centimeter, and this perpendicular distance PQ, you can say this is also 16 centimeter. So you have to find the area of the PQRS. PQRS, this blue region. So you have to find the area of this. So let's see how we can solve this. So you see this figure. From the point R, if you draw one perpendicular to the line PQ, this will cut this line at the point L, and here it is the 90 degree. And now this PQRS is divided into two parts. One is this rectangle, you can see like the rectangle PLRS, and one triangle you can see the RQL triangle. So this the sum of this area and this area is equal to the PQRS area. So our strategy is this: we find the area of this rectangle and this triangle, and then we add, and then we find the total area of the PQRS. So now let's say it is given in the problem as the radius of the semicircle is 16 centimeter. So this PQ and PR distance are 16 centimeter because they both are equal to the radius. Q point is also on the semicircle and R point is also on the semicircle, and P is the center. So the PQ and PR distance both are is equal to the radius of this semicircle, and OP is given equal to the OQ, and we know the whole distance PQ is 16, so OP and OQ both will become like 8 centimeter, half of 16 centimeter. And we also discussed like the PQRS area is this rectangle PLRS area plus this triangle RQL area. So now let's say this PS distance is X, so this RL distance is also X. Let's say this vertical distance RS is Y, so this LP distance is also Y. So this is a rectangle. So now what is this QL distance? QL distance is simply the PQ distance, which is the 16 minus this LP distance, which is Y. So this is 16 minus Y, and RL we know it is equal to the X, which is equal to the PS. So the what is this PLRS rectangle area? It is simply X times Y. And what is this triangle RQL area? It is simply half times base. Base is X times vertical height is 16 minus Y. So this is this. Now we just have to add these, and this is the total PQRS area. So we have to find the X and Y value to get the numerical value of the PQRS area. So let's see the triangle RSP. So if you look at the triangle R, S and P, we can write like x square plus y square is this RP square, which is the radius and which is the 16 centimeter. So x square plus y square is 16 square. So one equation we get from here. And if you look at the triangle QL and R, so you know this distance OQ is 8 centimeter, and this distance RQ is also 8 centimeter. Why? Because this Q is the center of this circle, and this OQ is the radius of this circle, which is 8 centimeter, and QR distance is also equal to the radius, so it is also equal to the 8 centimeter. So now you look at the triangle RQL, so you can write this x square plus this vertical distance, which is 16 minus y. So both of these square is equal to this radius square, which is 8 square. So one equation you got from here like x square plus 16 square plus y square minus 32y is equal to 64. So now you can simplify this, and from here you can get the x square plus y square value as 32y minus 192. So previously we got one value of x square plus y square as 16 square, and we also got this. So we can equate both of these. So if you equate like 16 square with 32y minus 192, So here the only variable is y, so you can easily get the value of y, and it is come like 14 centimeter. And now you know the equation x square plus y square is equal to 16 square. Now you can put the value of y, so you can get the value of x, and it will come like 2 root 15 centimeter. And now you know the PQRS area in terms of x and y. So you have to just the put the value of x and y. So in this uh, uh, xy plus half of x times 16 minus y, you put value of x and y, and you can get the area easily, and it will come like 30 root 15 centimeter square. So this is the answer. So in this way, by putting the x as 2 root 15 and y as 14 in this equation, you get this numerical value as 30 root 15 centimeter square. So in this way we can solve this.